Good morning from Prudent Prosperity. Monday, June the 1st. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures pulled back on Monday after China added fuel to simmering trade tensions with the U.S., setting investors on guard as they turn the page on a bullish May. S&P 500 futures dropped roughly 0.5%, while those on the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.3%. Contracts tied to the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 retreated 0.6%. Number 2. China hit back at President Trump's claim that it has violated the Geneva tariff truce on Monday, blaming the U.S. instead for failing to keep up its end of the deal. The mutual finger-pointing has undermined hopes for a revival of trade talks between the two top economies and stoked lingering trade uncertainty. Number 3. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell is scheduled to deliver remarks today at 1 p.m. Eastern Time at an event hosted by the central bank. Powell's comments come after he met last week with President Trump, who has been pressuring the Fed to lower interest rates, and as price pressures eased again in April. Fed officials have said they are monitoring inflation for signs of price increases from Trump's tariffs. Powell's comments follow remarks from Fed Governor Christopher Waller, who this weekend said that interest rate cuts could be on the table later this year. On a yearly basis, overall PCE increased by 2.1%, below the 2.2% economists had expected. Number 4. Shares of Blueprint Medicines are soaring 27% in pre-market trading as French pharmaceutical firm Sanofi said it would acquire the U.S. drug maker for up to $9.5 billion. The deal would give Sanofi access to Blueprint's treatment for systemic mastocytosis, a rare immunological disease. Blueprint's established presence among allergists, dermatologists, and immunologists is expected to enhance Sanofi's growing immunology pipeline, Sanofi said. U.S.-listed shares of Sanofi are down less than 1%. Number 5. Shares of U.S. steelmaker Cleveland-Cliffs soared as much as 26% in pre-market trading Monday, while foreign steel stocks slumped. The moves came after President Trump announced on Friday that steel and aluminum tariffs would double from 25% to 50% starting June 4th. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.